Gusto mo bang maging in sync? Ibig sabihin, parang flow ka? Etong major question sa akin, doon sa aking post about grounding. How much time and what if? Wala namang katulad ko na merong nature area. So, first things first, how much time depends on what you want. At least 5 to 10 minutes if you have your own garden. But if you don't have, maybe have a plant inside your home na merong soil. Hawakan mo ang soil. Most important part is not the touching, but when you touch it, you breathe. And exhale. Sometimes when you have a pet, touch your pet because that's part of the nature and just allowing yourself to really extend it and just breathe together with your dog, with your cat, and stay there because grounding is not just necessarily about you putting your foot barefoot, but it's also you taking a look at on how you can connect with that breath, that you're grounded, and with your creator for sure. Most important part, if you're always indoor, just take time to go outdoor, breathe, relax, and just allow yourselves to breathe through in the game called life because if you don't ground or connect to your source, talagang ma-overwhelm ka at you'll be in anxiety. You will be in a state of anxiety. So therefore, start practicing this.